Let's roll. Straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, straightening, straightening, straightening. Yeah, don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.
Hello guys, another vlog. Hope you're doing well. Today is Friday and Monday is a holiday, so I'm going home this weekend and I'm gonna take you guys along. So let's go. Ooh, my skin is looking good. That's a good sign. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I just got home like I think a few minutes ago and my dad made groundnut soup, so I'm gonna make fufu because you know when you are in room you do what the Romans do, and when I'm at home I have to eat fufu. So this is the powder. I'm doing the microwave way because I'm kind of starving and I want it to be fast and quick.
I'm trying to get her back. You'll be all out of love in the end. Spent 10 hours on this flight plan. Told the pilot ain't no flight plans. Can't believe whatever I'm saying. And they know whenever I land. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't know if it was the hunger or what, but I said groundnut soup at first. It's actually palm nut soup. Oh, I'm so excited. It doesn't look right on camera, but it looks phenomenal in front of my eyes. I don't know why it looks like that on camera.
about content, even if the views were not necessarily communicating that. Another benefit this does to you is that it doesn't make
Yo, that food was so good. But one thing about my dad, he's gonna put a lot of pepper in, like, in a soup or a stew, and it's still gonna buzz though, but it's like a lot of pepper. I overate, bro. This is probably gonna be like a food vlog or something, but happy Saturday, guys. It's almost like it's 1:30 right now, and I'm making fried indomie, stir-fried indomie for lunch, brunch. I haven't eaten all day, so this will be like a brunch. I'm starving. Oh no. I have no powdered pepper and oyster sauce here, which is a bummer. And I think I'm just gonna add teriyaki sauce. I don't know. All done. And I have malt with milk here. It's the weekend, but I'm still a student on Tuesday, and I have a chemistry quiz, the second one, on Tuesday, so I need to study. So I'm gonna do like a 2-hour study block. So yeah, last thing I want to be doing, but you know.
Taking my baby to school, then I pray for it. Cause you bitches ain't never been cool. Writing testament, painting pictures, put me in the Louvre. That's a definite universal shift. I'm in the groove. A celebrity, do not mean integrity, you fool.
I'm craving some couscous, so I'm gonna pick up my best friend and then we're gonna grab that, or either boba.
You don't really mess me up like that, huh? Came and stole my heart, oh that's a fact. Boy, I think it's time I took it back. I don't wanna see you cry, asking where
Proof is in the progress. Money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get.
Honestly, my main purpose of going home was to go make this stew because I've been starving here at school. I didn't really have any good food here. But if you have tomato stew, you can make a lot of stuff with it, even though I just eat rice with it. But who else goes home and like do their grocery shopping from the stuff at home? Like, I go there and grab everything because yeah, where else am I going? I'm not going to the grocery shop to spend money. I'm just gonna take the ones at home and bring it to my dorm. But if you made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe.
I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. 4, but I love me a threesome. I'm a delete it, she my little secret. Trying to dish me to blow up, I peep it. I can't respond, we just doing people. If I left some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig it, my chef won't be, and I was broke, had to fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with a little fish. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab her neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands and I breach it. This gun ain't gon' jam when I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chilling. But I send the hit while I chill my children. Bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a scratch. I caught up, they come for my artists, they making me offers. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I get 4 burgers at once for a startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my car. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit.